Hello viewers, this is Samuel the Wizard Guy. In today's video, we are going to learn how to print work in Microsoft Office Word. So here I have some typed work of which I want to print. I want to make a hard copy of this work. So I'll go to File. You go to File. You go to Print. I have Print option here. You click on Print option. Then to bring what you call a print dialog box, So you come here and select the number of copies you want out of this document. You have to select number of copies that you want out of this document in this section. So if you want 4 copies, you type 4 copies. Down here we have printer. So you come and select the printer that you are using to print. So you must have connected the printer onto your computer before you print. You choose a printer name here. Let's say it is this one. You click on it. And then you come under settings here. We have print what? You want to print all the pages or you just want to print the current page? The current page is this page that you are seeing here. This is the current page. But if you have 1,000 pages, like here I have 3 pages, so I can say print all the pages if I want all the pages. Or you can customize the pages you want to print by coming to pages and then you type the number of pages you want to print. Either you want to print from page 2 to 18, you type that. Or you can just say I want to print page 3, page 6, page 9, page 50, and page 100. Let's say if you want to print one of those pages, so you just type here using a comma. Then down here we have print section, print one side or both sides. Of course, it should be one side if you want, but you can select both sides if you're printing a different document or a brochure, something like that. So you can use different both sides. That's if you're printing brochures. So we have the orientation, either landscape or portrait. You choose from here. Or letters, you can say letter. Then you come back and say what? Print. So when you print, you click print. When you click the print option, your file will start to be printed. The printer will produce a hard copy of your work. So that's how you print work in Word document. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.